Okay, so today that's just a short video about my cool mist humidifier, and they are called a cool mist humidifier because it's a cool mist here, and it's actually super fine mist, as you can see here, and it's actually not getting any moisture here on the floor. I've chosen this model here because it holds 2 gallons or 8 liters, and why I've also chosen this model, the other one I had the water tank in top of the humidifier, and then the humidifier, the electronic was actually in the bottom below, and the ceiling was leaking, and then I had 1 gallon of water here on the floor, and that's not gonna happen with this one. And I'll show you around a little bit. So what you can do, you can either fill the water right in here, which I'm never doing. What I'm actually doing, I'm lifting this one up here, and then you see you can fill the water directly in here. Okay, and so you see in here, that's actually where we have the water pump. It actually reaches all the way in there. It's that little thing here. And on the other side, where we have the power cable, we actually have a heat and a humidity sensor attached to. Now, I am not sure why that's not in the housing of that model. And we talk about this model, which I got off Amazon. And it also comes with a little remote control. So let's just turn it on, and now you see it's pumping water. It actually shows you we have 38% of relative humidity right now. And what I'm always doing, I'm actually turn on the UV light. Now, right now you don't see a light here. Now we turn on the UV light. It's hard to see, but we have a UV light in there. It also shows you the fill level, but the UV light is actually there to kill any bacteria, and so that's the good thing. You also have a timer, which I'm not using, and then you can actually adjust the volume of the mist, and you see that when I'm changing that, that's way too strong now, so I'm actually decrease it, and it has 4 levels. 1, 2, and 3. That's the mist level. It just, let's just say the mist volume. Let's turn that up. Now you see it's level 2, and we have more mist, level 3, and then it's blowing out pretty strong. I'll go back to 1, and what you also can do is customize the humidity. So right now it's 40%. And then it goes up in 5% increments, so 50%, 55, 60, 65, 70, and so on. I'll keep it in the 40s. And what you also see here, you actually don't need the remote control for this at all. What you also can do, you can actually adjust that nozzle here, so where it blows out. So I'm actually keeping it always in this direction. And as I said before, now you see the mist coming out here. You can also fill the water in here, which I never did. But if you want, you can fill it just in there. And basically, the water tank, in my use case, lasts like 3 to 4 days. So that's pretty convenient. And especially in winter time, when you have to dry air, such a humidifier is actually a good thing. And that actually, the color matches my arcade machine, which is next to here. And that's a way better device than I had before, because as I told you, you have the water tank here, and then the pump is reaching in there. So there cannot be a leak like I had before, where I had the water tank on top, and then actually the pump at the bottom, and then a pipe was going up to that nozzle, and then the ceiling actually broke, and then I had a huge water spill. So that cannot happen with that unit. That's why I've chosen this unit where you have the tank below, and I'll show you here on that part of the video the old one I had, which was leaking, which I cannot recommend. As always, thanks for watching.